It's big, it's vast, it's twice the size of the United Kingdom, with some of the world's most stunning ancient and natural landscapes which date back literally billions of years. Industry is on a gigantic scale here, and there are islands with world-class fishing. Where am I? Welcome to the Pilbara region of Western Australia. Many travellers' first port of call is the mining town of Karratha, home to 17,000 people. It's where the red dirt of the desert meets the ocean. Founded in 1968 to service the mining industry, it has certainly grown into a major regional centre these days, and it's a great place to base yourself for your tour of the Pilbara. The best way to get a lay of the land is with a heli tour of the region as you fly over the busiest port in WA, with mammoth iron ore carriers and these spaceship-like ships holding natural gas from the land. You can fly over gorgeous coastline on your way to the ancient Murujuga National Park. It truly is one of the nation's, in fact, one of the world's greatest art galleries, home to an estimated 1 million petroglyphs, with some estimates suggesting they were carved over 50,000 years ago, dating them as the oldest pieces of art on the planet.
You had the Yabarara people and the Ngarama people living here together, so a lot of the art was done by the people that lived in the area. With Aboriginal people, we don't have a written history, but we do have an oral history or verbal history, if you'd like. With petroglyphs, though, they are the only written history, I'd say, so people recorded things like animals, what they would have seen day to day, also what they get up to, so their ceremonies and whatnot. So to us, it's a form of written history as well.
Around 100 kilometres inland, you'll find a true oasis, Millstream, Chilchester National Park. Covering 200,000 hectares, it's home to rugged gorges, waterways full of life and permanent natural rock pools. And the countryside only gets more spectacular. For example, Dale's Gorge in the stunning Karrajini National Park. It's around 2.5 billion years old, and it's the perfect place to take a refreshing dip. The Pilbara region is a magical place and one you should seriously consider exploring the next time you get out on the road right here in WA.